I'm having a hair treatment today called Hair Botox. Nothing to do with Botox, it's a deeply, intensely hydrating treatment. So this is my hair after air drying. As you can see, it's naturally wavy, it's very frizzy. I'm hoping after I have this treatment, when I leave my hair to dry, there will be way less frizz, and hopefully it will help with the frizz and humidity as well. So let's see. So I went to my favorites, Michael Van Clarke. The idea of this treatment is to smooth, hydrate, and repair the hair. It helps promote collagen production, and it helps to repair by acting on the internal and external structure of the hair. It differs to a keratin treatment because it is not there to straighten your hair, and it also doesn't contain those harsh chemicals. But the process is kind of similar. They put the treatment on, they leave it for an hour, they then rinse it out, and then they blow dry and straighten your hair to activate and seal everything in. The effect of the treatment also fades out rather than grows out, so you won't get frizzy roots. You can see here the brush went straight through my hair after we rinsed out the treatment, which never happens. My hair always has knots in it, so this was already so impressive to me. The idea is not to straighten your hair, but just to smooth. However, if you do have a natural curl pattern, it will stretch out your curls a little. At the end of the treatment, my hair was shinier than it has ever been in my life. It was so smooth and sleek, a little flat, but the volume does come back after the first wash.